Hi guys, a short video about Lightdm. First of all, we recommend you don't use it, right? There is a reason. In these 6 years we started with Lightdm and we got users saying it won't boot, it will fail. At some point in time we decided, okay, buy Lightdm and welcome SDDM. So by default you're booting with SDDM. That's one. Advice 1. Advice 2, if you go offline, you can't select it, right? You can't go and say, I want Lightdm. So that's a no-go for you. It will be SDDM. So if you really want Lightdm, you go for advanced installation, you choose here. And then there is, well, a possibility that you could do something wrong, right? ArcoLinux is all about sharing knowledge, and we play with the Lego blocks that are provided from Arch. If, and this is important, if you click this and you go on, you'll get a nice black screen and red words, Lightdm failed. It should have a dependency, lightdm-gtk-greeter, and then Lightdm works, right? It's all about knowledge. What's between your ears. Like I said, it would be nice, in the ideal world, that if we click on this one, then there is a dependency in the package build that we install that one as well. It isn't. So this is okay. This will work. If you go for Lightdm and Greeter, you get a black screen that says failed. Again, you need this. If you say, well, you'll be greeted if you do this, right? You will be greeted with Lightdm. Greeter is something manual need to do. There is no extra readme install in the package build that says go change a parameter, go change a variable inside Lightdm and tell it to use Greeter. It's not there. So it's a manual thing you have to do. Or use ATT. ATT has the possibility to just click, and it's also changed. The others are just for convenience, right? This is an application that sets it, and on board is these keyboards, a virtual keyboard. If you are sitting in the living room and you have these portables, you can double, well, they bend, right? You know what I mean? They just flap around, and then you just type in your password. That's that. So basically, our advice is, well, use SDDM. That works. And if you don't know, just select everything, right? Just say, I'll check it out, right? This will boot as well. You'll get Greeter, which is not going to work. You get onboard, which maybe is interesting for you to type on the screen and say, okay, I'll type in my password like that, or click with the mouse, of course. And this is setting the GTK greeter. So yeah, this is a fail-safe. This will always work. And that's the message we'd like to give you, right? So if people say Lightdm failed, it might be that you did something wrong, right? It might be that you did this. This will fail. It might be that you do this. This will fail, will fail, right? It will all fail. This will all fail. If you add this, then it will work. Okay? Enjoy.